Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about the soft assertion and hard assertion. So what is the soft assertion and what is the hard assertion? But before moving to soft assertion and hard assertion, let's understand what is the assertion. What is assertion? So let me create one Python file here, Pytest example, Pytest assertion dot underscore demo dot py. Okay, so added one example. Let me create here method def test assertion demo. So assertion is basically the concept by which we can verify the values, right? We can verify the two values. So why we need to verify the values? Basically, during the testing, we have two set of values. One is our expected value, second is the actual value. Expected values are value which we are expecting to appear to available on the application. The actual values which at runtime during the execution of the test case we notice on the UI. So we need to verify both values are equal, not or there is some kind of contains the value contains some string, some values, right? So this type of validation we need to verify using the automation code. So here Python provides some method by using which we can directly validate both values. So like here, there is a assert right method. Here we can pass the values like if we pass, suppose that my expected value is 12 and actual is also 12, right? So in that case it will assert both values. If this is true, it give us true, then it will mark the test pass. If this is false, right, give false, then it will mark the test fail. So now let's see. So I'm going to run the test Pytest demo. You can see here now one passed, both values are equal, then it's passed. Let me change this value with 13. Now in this case, both values are not equal and our test should fail. You can see here test failed with the assertion, right? Assert 12 equal to, and here we are also getting. So let's add some more assertion because in one test case we can add multiple assertion, multiple type of verification we need. So let me add here some verification of a string like testing equal to testing. Okay, it will pass, but first one is failing, second is not executed. Okay, let me make this pass both and run again. Now you can see both assertion is passed. So if I apply here, right, uh, not in. So now I'm going to use another assertion means test not in testing. So this is just opposite. So in that case, it will fail because test is available in the testing. So now this will fail. Let me run and now you will see second assertion will fail. So test is containing here testing. So that's why this assertion is failed. Now let me make first one is also fail. Now both assertion will fail. Let's see now. Now you can see it verify the first assertion. If the first assertion is getting fail, it's not verified the second one. And if the first assertion is passed, then it go and verify the second assertion. Basically, this is the hard assertion. In the hard assertion, if any assertion fail, it will not go to check, verify the remaining assertion. It will automatically terminate the execution of the test, right? And remaining code will not execute. So this is hard assertion. But in some cases, we need to verify the also remaining assertion. We don't need to mark our test fail. right? So in that case, we need to use soft assertion. When we are using soft assertion, right, in that case, it will not terminate the program of the test, execution of the test, if one assertion failed. So it will execute all the step of the test, and then after that it will mark the fail by showing all the assertion error. So let me show you here. So first of all, we need to, if we want to use the soft assertion, then directly the method is not available. We need to use Pytest soft assertion, copy this and go in install in your package. So let me install here. This is installed. So now if I want to run the test by using soft assertion, then here we need to pass soft asserts keyword as runtime, soft hyphen soft asserts, and then enter. And now you can see both test assertion is failed. You can see the messages, and second is failure here. So both assertion fail. We are getting assertion error. If first is passing, right? Let me change this 12 and running the test. Now you can see this result true. Okay, assert testing result false. So first is passed and second is here failed. It's capture all the assertion at the end. Now if both is passed, let's see what will happen. Yeah, now test is passed. So here we are using soft assertion. Soft assertion is the assertion which will validate all the assertion, whether it is passing or failing, and at the end it will show the result. While the hard assertion, if any assertion is failed in hard assertion, immediate it will make the test fail as well as the terminate the execution of the test, and then go to the next test execution. Okay, so now I'm going to show soft assertion and hard assertion in the Selenium WebDriver. Now, suppose that you can see this is the facebook.com, and now before going to enter the username, password, and click on login button, I'm going to verify what is the title of the Facebook, what is the placeholder value is available here, and it's also in the password, and then checking the login button text, and then clicking on the login button, right? So if I look the code, so I have already written the code which will launch the browser, navigate the facebook.com url. Okay, so maximize, then here adding the assertion to verify the current title with the expected title. So then we have also placeholders value, right, verifying this for the input, and verifying the password, placeholder value, password, verifying the login button text, that is login. Okay, and then after that entering the username, password, and clicking on the login button, and then calling the driver.quit. Now I'm going to run this test and I will show, right, without using soft assertion I am going to run, and you will see it will work and pass, right? Then both test is working. Suppose that this is my expected title, but we are getting different in the current actual. So in that case our test will fail. Let's see what will happen if we are using soft assertion, and what will happen if we are using hard assertion. So now I'm going to run this without using soft assert. Let's see. Now you can see it verified, and here you can see the one failed and one passed. So basically the first test, this is got passed in this file, and second test is failed, And also you can see it's not enter the username and password, right? It failed for the title. Here you can see expected and actual. So this is the hard assertion. So as soon as the hard assertion is failed, it's not running the remaining line of code, right? It's terminated the execution of the current test. Now let's see what will happen if we are using soft assertion. So now it's running the test, execution done, and here you will see the failure looks like this. Okay, and so this is the difference it's showing. And let me comment this and show you. You will see also it will fill the form. It will fill the login button, login form. Yeah, you can see it's enter username password. Even it's failed for the title, but still it's entered. So this is the soft assertion and hard assertion. In the soft assertion, right, it will not terminate the execution of the program even assertion is failed. And at the end, it will show all the failure, right? Here you can see. And if we are using hard assertion, right, then in that case, it will terminate the execution of the test and it will not run the remaining steps if your assertion is failing. Hope this will help to understand what is the soft assertion and what is the hard assertion, right? And click on the like button if you like the tutorial. Subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you can get latest video notification. Also share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues so that they can also get benefit. Thanks for watching the video.